Hudson, and today we will be informing our peers about the reproductive system.
Do you know what sperm is, and do you know how it's made / released?
Testicles. I don't know how it's made.
Well, it is made by testicles or tubules in testicles that the cells come together to make sperm. Yeah. But other than that, you're completely correct. Do you know what sperm is? And do you know how it's made / released?
Yes.
Yes. That's correct. There are other ways to release sperm too. Yeah. That we all know about. And you're completely correct. Besides that, it's made in the testicles through tubules that come together that combine into sperm. And okay, here's what is the difference between the urethra and the vagina?
I don't know. I know the vagina is where the baby comes out, but I don't know what the urethra is.
Okay, you're partially correct. The urethra is where pee is to conduit pee from the bladder to the toilet. And then the vagina is for receiving sperm and the conduit for menstrual flow. Do you know the difference between the urethra and the vagina?
I know that they're different, but I can't give you a technical answer.
Okay. Well, the urethra is used for peeing in a woman and men, but yeah, it's used for peeing. And then the vagina is used to receive sperm and deliver babies, and then the conduit for menstrual flow. Gotcha.
Alright, so do you know what a C-section is and how it's performed?
It's when they surgically remove the baby from the mother's uterus. But I don't know how.
Yeah, so basically the surgeon makes incisions in the abdomen, the uterus, and they pull the baby out through there. And usually they're planned, and it's because the baby's in an irregular position. But sometimes they have to do an emergency C-section during labor if like the woman's having problems with like excreting the baby, and they usually carry more risks than natural births, but sometimes they're necessary. All right, what are the components of semen?
That's a great question, Hudson. Why don't you tell me?
So semen is a slightly alkaline fluid, which means that it has a pH of 7.5 and is slightly basic, and it's made of sperm cells from the testes and secretions from the seminal vesicles, the prostate gland, and the bulbourethral gland. And it also contains prostaglandins and nutrients. All right, Thomas, what are the components of semen?
Mostly water, probably.
It's actually sperm is right. It consists of sperm cells from the testes as well as secretions from the prostate gland, the bulbourethral gland, and the seminal vesicles. And it also contains nutrients and prostaglandins.
Do you know the difference between fraternal twins and identical twins? And do you explain it? Do you know how they're developed? Do you know what in the human body is like what makes a fraternal twin, what makes a identical twin? Okay, well, fraternal twins are dizygotic, which means that it's 2 eggs fertilized by 2 sperms, and they form the uterus at the same time. And identical twins are monozygotic, which means that it's 1 egg fertilized by 1 sperm, but we don't really know why. It's like there's theories about it, but the egg splits into 2, and they're identical, so that makes identical twins. Okay. Do you know the difference between how identical twins and fraternal twins are? Not really. So, I mean, sort of, but like, let me explain to you. So, fraternal twins are developed, they're considered dizygotic, which means that it is 2 sperms fertilizing 2 eggs, and they're both developed in the uterus.
Me?
Identical twins are monozygotic, which means that it's 1 sperm fertilizing 1 egg, and then the egg split into 2.
What is a hysterectomy?
Wait, what?
A hysterectomy, what is it?
I have no idea.
All right, so hysterectomy is a surgical removal of the uterus, which is also called the womb, and it results in. It's not like a C-section, but it results in the discontinuation of the menstrual cycle as well as the subsequent removal of the cervix, ovaries, and fallopian tubes. What is a hysterectomy?
That is when the uterus is removed.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, and it also that results in discontinuation of the menstrual cycle, and a lot of the time, the cervix, ovaries, and fallopian tubes are also removed.
Do you know where in the woman's body where the baby is developed?
The uterus.
You're completely correct.
Oh yes.
Do you know where in the female body the baby is developed when not quite. That's where
No, you're not.
that's where fertilization first happens. But the baby is actually developed in the uterus.
It's a baby delivered via C-section.
How's the baby delivered?
So basically, the surgeon makes incisions in the abdomen and the uterus, and the woman is also given an epidural, so she's numbed from her waist down, and then they take the baby out through through those incisions. And planned C-sections are usually due to a baby being in an irregular position, and unplanned ones are due to like emergencies in labor. Really, the general population needs some educating about the reproductive system.
Thank you for watching.